Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. I am going to be showing you my new iron that I just got. I have been so excited to get this. And so I'm going to explain a little bit why I got this new iron. I bought this one, this Rowenta at Costco. I don't know, a couple years ago, 3 years ago, something like that. And I absolutely love this iron. It gets really, really hot. It produces some really great steam. And I find that anymore, it's my go-to iron when I'm making a quilt, just because it has so much heat and steam that it presses the seams just perfectly. So what I was running into though, is that when I am pressing and steaming, I find that I have to fill it a lot. So like every, I don't know, couple of minutes it seems. So I decided to try something a little new, and you're just going to open it with me right now. I haven't even seen it yet. So I don't know what's in, I don't know everything that's in here, so we're going to do it together. Okay. And so I'm just going to turn that. And it's the box. Okay. So I did go ahead and I did buy another Rowenta. This is what I have. So this is the Rowenta Steam Pro. So let's open it up and see what's in here. You can probably see on the box what's in there. All right. Excited. I am so excited about this. So this iron comes with its own tank. And it is amazing. First things first, I'm going to have to be smarter than the packaging. Packed in there really well, I'll tell you that. There we go. It's got styrofoam everywhere. Okay. So I'll have to wipe this down before I use it. So you can see all of the little steam holes in there. Like I said, it has a lot of styrofoam on it right now. So, but this, I don't know what this part is. Probably should read up on it before I start messing with stuff. So it has there's a button on the handle under here that you can press for the steam. And then, of course, you can adjust it with the little knob, you know, your settings that way. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty standard, like an iron should be. Okay, so we have our warranty and our instructions and all that good stuff. So it comes with your iron, and then your registration, so you can register your product. And then here we go. So this is what this looks like. It is large, but when you can iron without having to constantly go and change the water, that is really cool. It also has a calcium collector in here. So you would see if I can get this right. I'm supposed to be able to pull this out. So you can use tap water in this and it will capture all the calcium deposit inside of this little tube, middle tube. And then you can just dump it out. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this back on. We want that to be right there. So then your iron sits like this. And your iron just stays hot and gets really warm on here. It has a safety lock for kids or for yourself. You can lock it like that so that they can't get into it, which is a nice safety feature. I think what else I can show you. This is the actual water tank. And I'm not sure how we get that off just yet, so give me a second to figure that one out. Oh, duh. Right here. So you would fill your, I'm going to put this on child lock so I don't dump it everywhere. Okay. So your tank has this opening here, so you can put it underneath your faucet and then it'll fill your tank. And this is a 1.1 liter tank. And then on the back side here, is where you have your power button. You can keep it so that it's less steam, or you can do it all the way to the max to make it so that, you know, it's really hot and steamy. I have filled it up with water, and I will show you how you put it back on once you have your tank filled, and you can hear it just click. To get the tank off, all you're gonna do is put your hand inside of this little cubby right here. Fits in there just perfect, and then you're just gonna lift up. Okay, so it's really easy. And you know I have no strength in this hand, and this was easy for me to do today, so fairly simple. Now I'm going to put the iron onto the base. I want to make sure I have it on there right though. Looks good now. Yep. We're good. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in and we are going, and the cord. Oh, I should show you the cord because the cord is important, especially when you're quilting. Look at how long this cord is. It's awesome. So you can have plenty of room for your ironing. There's also this cord that is attached to the iron and the actual tank itself. It's a braided cord. That's my dog. He wants to go for a WALK. All right, so there we go. I've got it all out. Now I'm going to put it on my ironing table and we're going to let it heat up. And then we're going to press on one of my quilts. Let's turn it on. So here's our power. It is on. We're going to do max. So click OK. And we're going to let it warm up. I'm excited. And I'm a little scared. I'm not going to lie about that. It's making me a little nervous. So I am going to grab one of my quilt pieces. We're going to press this. So when I sew those rows together, I haven't pressed them yet. So that's what I'm hoping to do this demonstration with, is that. Should be a lot of fun. It just kicked on. I think it's hot. You can also put the tank on the floor if you need to. So, like, for instance, since you can see that I'm having some problems here because I don't have enough room up on my table, I can set that down on my floor. Then it gives me more room on my ironing table. And I don't know why I keep wanting to start from that side. Okay. Let's try. I want to press the seams flat. It works really well. And it gets really hot really fast. So, oh man, that's awesome stuff. You definitely want to be careful though. If you have small children around, you want to be careful with this iron around them. It gets very, very hot. I'd say hotter than normal. Okay, so that's off. And it used a little bit of the water, but not like a whole lot. So like if you're using this for piecing, it's going to be amazing. I was using another iron that I had that I used to quilt with on this quilt, and that's why I've had some buckling. And so this quilt has actually been the one that actually inspired me to get that. So it's called the Rowenta Steam Pro. I'll link down to it below in the description box. I got mine from Fat Quarter Shop, so I'll link there because I know that they have it and that it will be the same exact model that I have here in case you want to check that out. It is on the little bit more pricey side, but so far I would say that I think it's worth the money. If you have it in your budget to get one, then you would probably really like it. So anyway, that is it for me today. If you'd like to follow me on social media, links are down below in the description box. This will be linked down below in the description box as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it because sharing is caring. And don't forget to click the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.